Hey guys, how's it going? How to change viewers restrictions on Netflix. So first of all, go ahead and open up your browser, and as you can see right here, if in order to set a profile maturity or restrictions on your content, go to your browser and then go to the account page, and then in the profile and parental control section, choose the profile that you want to edit. For some accounts, select profiles and then choose a profile, select viewing restrictions, and then enter your Netflix account password to confirm, set the maturity rating level that you would like, and then choose save. So if you want to quit demonstration, you're gonna be able to see it. You're gonna go ahead to your profile settings, and then you're gonna be able to see profile lock, and then change it, and then hit right here and choose the account that you want to add the restrictions to. And basically after you select the account, you're gonna just go ahead and select the maturity or the parental control over this account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.